Alright, so this is going to be a video about rational expressions, and to kind of go over what rational expressions are, I want to review what rational numbers are. So if you remember, rational numbers are when you have an integer divided by an integer. An integer is a positive or negative whole number or zero. Or you can look at it as a ratio of two integers because we have an integer over an integer. Now a rational expression is related to this because a rational expression is a ratio of two polynomials or of two monomials. Okay, and you can think of monomials as polynomials because technically they are polynomials. So if you have a ratio of two polynomials, okay, so a rational equation might look like this. You have r of x equals some polynomial up top, p, divided by some polynomial on the bottom, q. And q of x cannot be equal to 0 because you can't divide by 0. We're going to talk more about that in the next video. Okay, some examples of rational expressions here. X squared plus 1, that's a polynomial. Over x minus 1, that's a polynomial, so that would be a rational expression. Right here we have a monomial divided by a polynomial. That would be a rational expression. This one right here, it's 2x squared minus 1. Now technically that's a polynomial, but it's also divided by 1. The divided by 1 is just invisible here, but since you're dividing by 1 and 1 is a monomial, this would be considered a rational expression. Same with 7x. It could be 7x divided by 1, so we have a numerator that's a monomial, a denominator that's a monomial, so this would be considered a rational expression. Some counter examples, or examples that are not rational expressions, are down here. We have 2 minus the square root of x divided by 4 minus x. This top part is not a polynomial because of the square root of x. If you remember, the power has to be a positive exponent. In this case, it's a positive integer exponent. In this case, the power would be to the half power. Same here, we have a cubic root of x divided by x minus 1. This is not considered a polynomial, so these both are not rational expressions. So that's a quick introduction of what rational expressions are. If you have any questions about this, let me know.